Hey everyone, Dr. Nate here. This is baby Silas receiving his first adjustment. He was just born about an hour ago, and coming through that birth canal can be super intense and really hard on the neck. So what we do with babies like this is we just go through each segment and find where they're at, and it's a lot different than some of the other videos you've seen. There's not any twisting and turning, it's very gentle. They move so well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All we do here is put our hands right here on his neck, fill the little spots in there, and make sure that it's moving the way it's supposed to, just like that. He feels a little tight on the left side, right up at the top, and if you catch it soon enough, just like that, it'll give way and move the way it's supposed to. So here is baby Silas. I'll give you guys a close-up picture of a shot of him here. Say hello. All right, we'll see you later.